Need fun ideas to keep kids busy this summer? Today, I'm sharing 4 playful summer ideas that feel like play but are full of learning too. Let's get started. First up, shadow drawing. Grab some toys, a piece of paper, and chalk and let the sunshine do the work. Place the toy in direct sunlight and trace its shadow. You can talk about how the shape changes depending on the time of day. Try tracing each other's shadows too. This activity builds observation skills, creativity, and fine motor control, and it's a great way to spend time outdoors. Next up is ice cube painting. This is a fun mix of art and science and perfect for a hot summer day. To prep ahead, freeze water with a few drops of paint or food coloring in an ice tray. You can also pop in wooden sticks before freezing to make easy, mess-free paintbrushes. Once they're frozen, let your child use the ice cubes to paint on paper or the sidewalk. As the ice melts, the colors spread and blend beautifully. But if your kids are ready right now, you don't have to wait. Just grab regular ice cubes and let them paint on the ice instead. Let kids swirl and melt the colors. It's cool, colorful, totally creative, and a wonderful masterpiece. This sensory activity helps with color recognition, fine motor skills, and introduces basic scientific concepts like melting and mixing. It's cool, creative, and full of sensory learning, no matter how you do it. Number 3 is sink or float science. It's a simple experiment that sparks curiosity and discovery. Gather small items from around the house, like a spoon, sponge, plastic cap, or leaf. Ask your child to guess whether each will sink or float. Then test each one together. Talk about what happens and why. This hands-on activity supports early science thinking, prediction skills, and vocabulary development. And best of all, kids love playing with water. Fill a tub with water and let your kids guess which toys float and which ones sink. It's a mini science lesson in a splashy good time, perfect indoors or out. Our final idea is acting out a story. Choose a favorite book or make up your own story, then bring it to life through pretend play. Use props, costumes, or just your imagination. Assign roles and act out the scenes. This builds comprehension, language skills, and confidence, and it's so much fun. You can even record your performance or invite siblings to join in. It's like putting on your very own summer play. And that's it. 4 fun summer ideas that feel like play, but are full of learning. Whether you're drawing shadows, painting with ice, exploring science, or acting out stories, these are great ways to keep your child engaged and excited all summer long. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, please share this video with another parent. Until next time, stay cool, stay curious, and keep the learning going all summer long.